All right, welcome back. I just wanted to take you to the Ironmaster website so you can see some of the different things that they have here. I already did a video showing some of the different items that I want to get, and I want to actually go down and break it down. So let's start off with cages and machines. So you're going to see you got the one that I want to get, which is the IM2000. You got the IM1500, which is great if you don't want to spend a lot of money and if you don't need that Smith machine option. The same dip handles that I showed you before, and the difference between the one for the IM1500 and the IM2000, the IM2000 actually is supported by your Smith bar. You have the bar hooks for the IM2000, the spotting arms that I had showed you, and again, all these prices that you see are not your prices when you actually purchase it and bundle it out. You also have the band peg hooks, my landmine attachment, and this right here, the ultimate row handle. And I actually want to go in just to show you this. It's one of their newer items that they just came out with. But this thing is so cool because you can use it for your T-bar rows. And as you can see, this right here can actually be adjusted all these different holes. So you could literally take that into the gym, use that for your workout, all different angles. That's with the T-bar row. This is for like a low pulley, and you can also use it for a high pulley. So just a great tool using the same materials that they use on their other exercise equipment for that one accessory. And then let's keep going. The IM2000 chin attachment, chin up for the 1500, leg plate. I mean, how cool is this? Think about that. You go to the gym, you spend all this money, and you don't even have this machine. They don't even make machines like this anymore. This was popularized back in like the 60s to 80s, the vertical leg press machines. You can also do calf raises in that position too, which is great. Love it. These are the Olympic sleeve sets. This will let you put Olympic size plates on the back side. This is the one right here. I'm debating on whether I'd want to get this. This would go on the back of the machine. It's called the pec deck attachment. So you wouldn't even see it. It literally would be facing the wall, and you want to leave enough space so you can get back there to do your chest training. Then you got low row foot plate, which I do want to get for sure. This is the dockable curl support. That'll attach to the preacher curl that they sell. And if anyone purchases their bench, you can also attach this directly to the bench itself. But this is good. It's a standalone piece, so you don't even have to use the bench. The only thing, you have to be bent over to use it. And I actually think I have a picture. So you're bent over to use it. It looks like he's sitting in a chair, but he's just standing up. But other than that, great device, a great tool. Let's see what else. You got the organizer tree, which I already have. This is great if you have their accessories. And you'll see in this picture, you got everything. This right here in the top, leg extension. If you have the Superbench, this would be your pull-up bar. You have all the attachments that you can put for the handles. This right here would be your dip bar. You have the leg extension, the low pulley foot plate, your preacher curl, and then you got your seat right there. But man, this company, Ironmaster, definitely my favorite company. The quality is great, and I'm not sponsored by them. I just love that company. And let's see what else. And then their plates. So a lot of people might say, man, you know, this is a lot of money for the plate set. Keep in mind that it actually does have a same warranty that you'd get with any of the Ironmaster products. So getting it, it's going to be quality. But again, if you get the main things that you need, if you don't end up getting the weight set from them, you can have everything else from them and get that weight set from someone else. So that's pretty much it for the IM2000. But I do actually want to go through the bench. So they make the Ironmaster Superbench. In my opinion, it's my favorite bench. I've tried different ones. Marcy has some. Weeder has someone. They have like Rogue Fitness. They do different ones, and they're good. But the crazy thing about this bench, right, you have all the adjustability. I don't know the exact angles that you have, but literally straight up and down and completely flat. So it doesn't matter whether you're going to be doing something that's incline or decline. This bench can handle it all. The Pro version they just came out with, the big thing with this one is it's actually a little bit lower to the ground. So one of the complaints was people would say if they're not that tall, their feet don't reach the ground that easily, so they'll use something like the calf block so they can hold their feet up. This new Pro model, it doesn't have any issues. Anyone can use it, any height, it doesn't matter. And let me see if they have, those are the actual dimensions. And then one interesting thing that I noticed when you go to put things into the top part, right here, there's actually two adjusters now, so it's even more secure when you go to use it. I have the original Ironmaster Superbench and it works great. That would be great for anyone that's not going to get the cable tower attachment. I'll show you that a little bit later. It'll still work with that, but I think you have to have it, or it might not work at all, no. I think you have to have the bench, and I'll show you why in a second. So these are the attachments that I have already. So this right here, this is for crunch, sit-ups, and then what else you can do is imagine laying down with your head right here holding onto this. You can have your feet in the air. You can be doing leg lifts. This is your dip bar. You can do dips. The only problem with this one is you see that metal piece right there? If you were to do weighted dips, it's not going to work that good because it's going to hit that, so you'd have to get a weighted vest. Or if you're getting a system like I want, the IM2000, you can get those optional dip bars, and then you can use any kind of weight hanging. The chin-up bar, I have this one already. Cool thing about the newer one that they came out with is it has handles on the inside instead of just having them straight across, which is a nice addition. And again, this bench is the best bench. Everything they have literally will connect to the top of the bench. So you have just so many different ways to use it. So we went over that one, we went over the dip, went over the pull-up. I also have this leg extension piece with the actual sleeve that it comes with. I think it comes with it. And that will allow you to put Olympic-sized plates and do your workout, whether it's going to be leg extension or leg curl, which would be for your hamstrings. The one piece I do not have is this preacher curl attachment. I'll be getting it this year and then doing a review. This is the wheel kit, a definite must. If my wife is working out by herself, she can just wheel that bench around. She doesn't have to lift it because it is 70 pounds, which is more than half her weight. You have the hyper extension right here. If you're using the bench by itself, this will be great. And this would be the one that would be a little bit of an issue just because of where it connects on the newer Pro version of the Superbench. And this is great, but I think I'd rather spend the money getting other stuff for me personally. And if you invest in the IM2000, you can actually use the Smith bar to be able to hold your legs while you do hyper extensions or Roman chair sit-ups. And this is cool right here. So this is called the cable tower attachment. This will allow you to connect your Superbench. It's rated up to 250 pounds for weight. The weight that can be used on here can be either the dumbbells, or you can actually use regular Olympic style plates. And the one reason why I don't want to get this is because I want to do more than 250 on the IM2000. It goes up to 350. But this is great. It literally plugs into that same section on the bench. This allows you to do your pull downs, tricep push downs. You can do everything. This low pulley, you can also connect the same low row plate at the bottom, so you can do exercises like back rows, or even do like standing tricep, bicep, everything from here. A couple more pictures so you can see. And then if you need it to be longer, like you'll see in this picture right here, you can connect chains to it. Again, if you want the best workout, I definitely would recommend the IM2000 from the videos and pictures I've seen. You have even more travel with the cable if you were to get that one, but a great attachment nonetheless. And we are almost done. So this right here is the cable tower seat. This could be used for the hyper extensions, or and I'll show you. This is for your hyper extensions to use it as a standalone. You could also use it with the cable tower, or you can get what I'm going to get, the IM2000. If you get that, you won't even need to get either of these two. It's all built into that one system. But again, this is great. If someone had their own little home gym, wanted to have separate stations, you can have everything from this company and literally have a nice gym set up with a lifetime warranty. And then you got other things right here. This is called the spotting stand, right? And so I'll show you the stand so you can see. This would be good for like all kind of movements for like chest. I'll show you. So incline, or if you're going to do military press. And then you can also have it when you're doing this. The one thing I will say, if you do have a rack, or if you have something like the IM2000 or IM1500, you can also use straps to hold the dumbbells in the air. I've seen people do that. That way you have that extra support just in case you can't handle it when you're by yourself. But this is also something you can get. And then remember, these prices you see, regular price, sale price, when you get something from Ironmaster, you do a like package, custom package, you create your own package, this price is going to go down. And I think they have, look at that, free shipping. So a lot of these other companies that you're going to buy from, you know, you'll buy different things. They might not have the same warranty, and you're still paying like $200 just for the shipping. Ironmaster, you do not have to worry about that. Let me go back and see what else. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by them. And then right here, look at that barbell adapter, right? So you can use that if you want to be able to have your own bench set up in your house, right? So that's pretty much that. And then we went over the cages, machines, benches. You have their Olympic bars and plates that we've seen already. I'm going to show you one last thing, the dumbbells and the kettlebells. And this is the reason why I actually fell in love with this company in the first place. Back in 2007, I did some research on what would be the best set of adjustable dumbbells, and they came up. And even to this day, they're compared to Bowflex, to Power Block, all the other great competitors. And this one is like the one that's literally not too big, lifetime warranty. You can drop it. It's not going to break like the other ones. It does take maybe 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds for each dumbbell to switch the weight on, which is not a big deal. But these things are beast mode. You could get them as 75-pound, or you can have it all the way up to, I believe, 165 pounds per hand, which is more than what I need right now. But you'll see quick lock dumbbells, $3.99. But you get this, I'm telling you, a whole family, like you're good to go. Like you get that one thing, you guys can do great workouts. I also have the easy curl bar. They have a straight bar, which I could have gotten, but I'm good with this. I just want to get a regular barbell. And then I haven't used kettlebells a lot lately, or yet. And this right here is the kettlebell attachment. So you can purchase this and have a kettlebell that goes up to, I believe, 80 pounds. So that's pretty cool for people that are into CrossFit and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video on Ironmaster, and definitely check out their website. They don't have a lot of promotion. They don't endorse any athletes or anything like that. They just, it's a small family-run business that I believe started back in like the 70s. It was a company called Spartan. They're now run out of Washington, and they have a beautiful showroom. Actually, I'm going to show you that real quick before I end this video. And again, I really appreciate you guys for stopping by. Here we go, Ironmaster showroom. So this is where I want to go visit. They're in Seattle, or actually maybe like 40 minutes from Seattle. But check this out. We're going to zoom in so we can see the Ironmaster. So all the stuff that I've been showing you, their showroom has it all right there. You can test it out before you buy it. And yeah, it's just definitely a great company and something that I would recommend. So anyways, hope you guys like this video. There's not a lot of stuff on this company online. You got Drew Bishop, Lee Priest, and Sam from Sam's Fitness doing videos, but I want to make people aware of this company. Such great quality products, and if you're going to spend $30 a month at a gym and you're not even going to go because you get busy with life and your kids, what's the point? $30 a month, and that's cheap compared to some other people. That's, you know, $360 a year. That's for one person. That's $720 for two people. You know what I mean? It's like all this money that we spend, you can literally get a system like what they have it at home, and just get your workouts in. I even thought about it myself. What's the point of spending 15 minutes to go to the gym? 15 minutes to go back home. That's 30 minutes wasted of my day where I could literally be in my house, have my protein shake, take a shower, I'm home. I'm ready to go, ready to work, do whatever I need to do. And that's pretty much it. So invest in your health and have a great day, everyone. Much love.